Hey guys, it's Sunday, and since I don't really have anything to do because I can only record from my webcam, I figured that I would do a geometrical riddle at genius level. Most of you on YouTube won't be able to figure it out. I'm just kidding, I know most of you will, because you're intelligent. That's why all your videos look so awesome. But anyway, so here's the riddle. Okay? You can pause the video here, and then you can do the puzzle, because next Sunday I'll put the answer up. So, watch next Sunday for the answer to that mind-boggling